my name is Eileen, and I wanted to go back to basics and talk about what is the Florida Long-Term Care Medicaid program. So this is a program that is offered to help people pay for a nursing home or an assisted living facility or aids in the home. Any of those things is very expensive. Nursing homes these days in South Florida anyway cost anywhere from $11,000 a month to $15,000 a month. So even if you have money in the bank, that could wipe you out very quickly. An assisted living facility can cost anywhere from $3,500 at the very low end of the spectrum up to about $7,500, $8,000 a month. And then aids in the home can range anywhere from about $17 an hour to about $28 to $30 an hour, sometimes even more than that, just depending. And if you had somebody 24/7, for example, as an aid in the home, that could end up costing even more than a nursing home. So the idea here is to help people not outlive their money, because it costs money to do anything in life, even to die, right? So that's where this program comes in. Now, like any Medicaid program, there is an income threshold and an asset threshold. But importantly, Medicaid gives us several tools to use to properly restructure finances so that you meet those thresholds if your income is over and or your assets are over the threshold. All of this is reported to Medicaid, is part of the application process. It's not something that's hidden. Do not do that. That's called Medicaid fraud. Do not ever do that. This is all up front. It's in a very complex set of rules that we use and we are allowed to use, and this is there to help people. So it is not a DIY project. If you don't have to move any assets around or you're under income, you could attempt to do the application yourself. You will get very frustrated. It's very cryptic sometimes. It's really better to have somebody that does this all the time do it to get it through for you. But if you're over income or over assets, you really, really need to get an attorney, because we've got to move this stuff properly. There's a lot of misinformation out there from people who, oh, I had a friend, I had an uncle, I had whatever, you should do this, you should do that. Even attorneys, unfortunately, who just dabble in this area. This is a part of the law that you have to really focus on as part of your day-to-day work to really be as effective as possible for clients. So that is what the Florida Long-Term Medicaid program is in a nutshell.